Okay, drone flight was a success today. The camera still doesn't work, but at least the motors all work and it's up in the air, so there's progress. All right, it's another day. I think it's Friday, could be Thursday. You know those times like when you're in a restaurant and you don't know what food to pick.
Life is so easy.
Okay, so this is part of the island that I'm on. I've been meaning to like come around for a few days. I thought it would be like a hike, but it turns out to be like a pretty flat trail. Yeah, it's like really cool out here. I'm just hanging out for a moment. I don't really have anything to do today besides pick up my laundry. I was kind of watching out. It looks like there's a storm coming in. You can never tell, I guess. A few more days here and then I'm actually switching to another country in a similar climate. So, I'm looking at some crazy stuff right now. I'm gonna get into a serious photo shoot here and crank out some cool photos. Okay, what kind of beach is this? This is spectacular. There's rocks and stuff all over the beach. There's like a cliff face right there. It's like a giant mountain type thing right here. Like, what kind of cave is this? It's actually, like, what's in there? Hey, if you aren't subscribed to the channel and you're enjoying this video right now, go ahead and do that. It means a lot. No, but seriously, if you are enjoying the videos, make sure to subscribe. It means a lot. Secret Beach. Yeah, so pretty cool. I read online before I came here, actually. There's a lot of like stuff about, you know, and especially like South Thailand, like secret beaches, like that's the whole thing, because so much of it, honestly, I feel like it's just undiscovered. You know, like they have like certain cities here and there's hotels, sure, but like once you get away from that stuff, there's just like so much, many miles of just like kind of untouched beach. Like this beach I found, I've been the only person here for an hour. It's like literally a private beach. Like that's all your sand right there. It's super secret. No one can like find you. So yeah, I'm a proponent of the secret beach thing. It's actually pretty fun. If you come to like southern Thailand, find stuff that a lot of other people haven't found and you'll be pleasantly surprised. Okay, so I mean, I'm at this amazing beach and most people would wonder, like, what do you do? Do you just actually sit there and look at the ocean? That doesn't sound very productive or anything. So I don't just like sit and look at the ocean. When I'm out here, I'm usually trying to think of strategizing next steps into stuff that I'm doing. I always like working. I need something to do. I like building, moving along, really high energy. So I come out here and I really just like put it down. I put it down. I'm just thinking through different things. Maybe sometimes I'm thinking through the same thing, so I'm trying to really find clarity and best paths of action. So far, I mean, it's just going amazing. As you can see, I am on the other side of the world at the beach, and I've been here for quite some time, all over Europe and everything. So, you know, go figure. And I'm always looking for this thing to take it to the next level. Caught myself not remembering it and have faced the consequences, or sometimes I just remember naturally, but I'm always trying to take it to the next level. When I do something and it's good and it's done, I don't know what the next up looks like. You know, there's a reason a lot of people don't take it to that next up. You have no clue what it looks like. All of the options that I have as far as moving forward from right here that I'm thinking on daily, you know, and working on, they're all horrifying. Like, they're all really scary. They're all like super hard. They all seem like borderline impossible. So that's always just how it's gonna be. And you know, I find excitement in that, because when I engage in these things, it makes me understand, like, I can't believe I actually did X, Y, and Z, or put in the work on X, Y, and Z, or completed X, Y, and Z. So I mean, so that's kind of stuff I think about when I'm out here, is just like, is working on what's next, how I want to pursue that specifically. I can say for one, I am terribly excited. I'm so excited that I almost can't focus, you know. So I do a lot of meditation, you know, I go on for long walks on the beach, I eat a lot. I don't want to say so much about what's to come, but obviously you're gonna see it right here. That's why I have this video going daily, you know, live in action. Just the main point of it, I just like to, you know, make sure I'm treating life like an experiment, to where the goal of the experiment is to make myself as close to my potential as possible, is to blow myself up. So that's the only goal there, is just like get myself as far out as possible, so I have the guts to take on whatever scary project comes next, whatever huge goal that just seems impossible. You know, I already know I've done this impossible thing, I've done it, this impossible thing, I've done it, oh yeah, and that impossible thing, I've done it. I'll get into a routine of just doing impossible things and taking on everything that I thought was scary, fulfilling it, and then finding out how exciting it really was and what opportunities it has afforded me. So speaking of affording opportunities, this is the beach. I think it's about to rain. I'm gonna get some ice cream and go back to the hotel. Alright, just like that, day is concluded. It has been nice, it has been sunny, it has been cloudy. Headed back to the hotel. Your support has meant a lot, and like always, I'll see you in the next video.